everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make Undertale Sans Boss Megalovania cookies. I haven't played the game, but my son was watching YouTube shorts, listening to Megalovania music, and he liked a lot, and he's now learning it at piano lessons. Since it's my son's favorite, I decided to make cookies. It must be perfect for Halloween as well. I think you can use gingerbread man cookie cutter instead of the skeleton one I used. I just happened to get it. Also, it's up to you if you want to make it from scratch, but I used 100 shop ingredients. Some people say that 100 shop icing doesn't work, but it worked for me, as you can see in my video. Anyway, I hope you like this idea and I hope you can try it out.
Here are the ingredients. I got ingredients at 100 shop, Seria. Daiso has similar ingredients. Place butter softened at room temperature in a bowl. Mix with a whisk until creamy. Add egg yolk and mix well. Add 1 bag of plain cookie mix powder and 1 bag of black cocoa powder. And mix with a spatula. Add little more butter if the mixture doesn't come together. Divide the dough, wrap the dough between plastic wrap. Roll out and put in the fridge to set for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, preheat the oven. Cut out with a cookie cutter. I'm using a skeleton cookie cutter, but I think a gingerbread man cookie cutter works. Place on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. And bake for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm using this icing powder. You just have to mix water. Make a piping bag with a film or a parchment paper. Place the icing and pipe it out. You can use icing pen to draw small parts. And now it's done! Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
So 変なカードやめて。
ダークこれ。ここと相性合ってると思う。これホワイトチョコでしょ。
それね、ミルク味のアイシング。
で、これも
青いのはね、味違うと思う。普通の砂糖の味っていうことはすごい白だけ残っちゃってる。みんな足から食べんだね。
ちょっとバカ。